Donald Trump's lawyers this week decided to piss off Judge Juan Merchan, the judge who is overseeing Donald Trump's upcoming hush money trial. And they ran so afoul of the rulings and orders from Judge Merchan that he actually had to threaten them with contempt. Now, I know the big media focus this week has, of course, been on Donald Trump getting hit with the gag order and then possibly violating the gag order by still attacking the judge's family, which technically is not a violation. If you look at the order, it doesn't include the judge, his family, or Alvin Bragg and his family. It should, but it doesn't. So Trump didn't technically violate it with that post on Truth Social. Nevertheless, that's not the part the media should have been focusing on. Because a couple weeks ago, Judge Merchan, as they started to approach the trial date, said, okay, from this point forward, and this was his official order, neither side, the prosecutors nor the defense, can introduce a new resolution. You can't file any new motions unless you ask for my permission first, and I grant you the permission to do that. Trump's lawyers this week apparently decided we don't have to follow the rules. We're going to file all of these motions in an attempt to delay the case even further. And Judge Merchan got absolutely pissed off about this, and he fired back at Trump's lawyers saying, quote, Trump, either directly or through counsel, has repeatedly stated publicly that the defense goal is to delay these proceedings, if possible, past the 2024 election. This court advises counsel that it expects and welcomes zealous advocacy and creative lawyering. However, the court also expects those advocates to demonstrate the proper respect and decorum that is owed to the courts and its judicial officers, and to never forget that they are officers of the court. As such, counsel is expected to follow this court's orders. A court of record has power to punish for a criminal contempt. Interesting, right? Like, why do you have to throw that part in there? Donald Trump's lawyers, even though we're still weeks away from the trial, have already pissed the judge off so badly now that he's having to remind them, you keep doing this, I can hold you in contempt. And this isn't like Donald Trump's civil trial where, a contempt charge means I got to pay a few dollars here. No, this is criminal. Criminal's not dealing with money. The punishment in the criminal cases is going to be, you can go spend the night in jail. We'll see you in the morning. And if it happens on a Friday, you're going to spend the whole weekend there. We'll see you Monday. Have fun in county lockup. And the judge is already making it known he has the authority to do it. And he wouldn't be reminding them that he has the authority to do it if he wasn't trying to give them one warning shot. That is what this is. This is that shot across the bow to let them know he's there. I see you. I see what you're doing, and I have the power to punish you. Don't forget that. That is the signal that the judge sent to Donald Trump's lawyers, not just for them not obeying the rules, but I think this also was a clear shot at Donald Trump for if he violates the gag order. I'll hold you in contempt, and you're not going to have to pay this court $10,000 or $15,000 like you did over on Engoron's side. Oh, no. I will put you in jail if I need to. That is the message from the judge this week. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.